Hello guys, I done some research about the menu lag problem. Everyone complained about it. We couldn't find anything to do to fix it up, so I done some researches. I just wanna know and show you guys when it's gonna be fixed. So I found this people talking about Raven software addressing game breaking Warzone menu update issue. A fix is being worked on, so it's not gonna take long to fix. Ever since a Warzone update went live on September 23rd, a number of players have encountered a number of issues involving the Battle Royale main menu screen. The final update of Season 5 Reloaded led to many claiming that they were impossible to navigate, making it very difficult to select a player's change on an operator and even invite another player to their party. That's right, so that's happened to all of us and it's so annoying. Like inside the game everything's alright, but if you scroll down, we are aware, that's what Raven Software tweet on Twitter, we are aware of an issue in Warzone that is causing hatching and low FPS in the front-end menus. We are currently in investigation and have added it to our Trello board. So when will it be fixed? So that's the problem. This guy is saying of 7th and today is 10. Consider that this is a huge issue impacting players and it could came as soon as October 7th, if not before. So we sure it's not before, it's after, because today it's 10. And I found this Call of Duty patch note about last season. So update on October 8th, they already talk about it. Bug fix it an issue casing some menus. Notable that operator menu to freeze when attempting to navigate then. So we already know that didn't fix it, and hopefully they're gonna try to fix it up and make it better. Please, if you wanna stay up to date about what's happened with Warzone, hit like button and subscribe the channel, and see you in next video.